A recent workshop hosted by Pegasus Insight, featuring contributions from HomeTrack Zoopla and the National Residential Landlords Association, has highlighted a pressing need for policy stability in the private rented sector, PRS. A UK court has ruled that the Vatican was utterly let down by Italian financier Raffaele Mincione in its failed investment in a luxury London property, which resulted in a loss of approximately €140 million when sold in 2022. The rising cost of home ownership has led many to renovate rather than relocate. However, as the government moves forward with leasehold reform, it must be mindful of the broader economic consequences. Given that many residential freeholds are owned, directly or indirectly, by UK pension funds, a poorly executed reform could destabilise property markets, shift value to foreign investors, and undermine the UK's appeal as an investment destination. Government stamp duty revenue increased by £40 million in January 2025, reaching £848 million, a 4.95% rise from last year, according to HMRC. With the over 65 population projected to exceed 17 million by 2040, the UK faces a critical shortage of suitable later living housing. The Older People's Housing Task Force estimates that 30,000 to 50,000 new homes are needed annually to meet demand, yet only 7,000 are currently being built. New research reveals that hundreds of landlords have built lucrative short-term rental empires in London, with some owning over 20 properties each. Short-term lets now account for 3% of London's housing stock, rising to 40% in Westminster and 35% in Kensington and Chelsea, according to Savills.
Find the full London Property News Bulletin on our website, YouTube channel, and all major podcast platforms. London Property, the home of super prime.